All right, so here we have an iPad Mini 2. This is the A1489 model. It came in for backlight problem, possible backlight filter. That's what it says on the ticket. If we try to power it on, nothing comes on the screen. And oh yeah, I do see the Apple logo. So the Apple logo is showing, but it's very, very dim. There's a backlight problem with this tablet. Let's quickly do a physical inspection on the board. But before I do so, let me disconnect the screen, the battery, digitizer. Okay, screen and digitizer right here. So let's inspect the board under the microscope. What I want to check is a well-known area where the backlight right here. Do you see what's wrong? Backlight filter right here. So we're gonna have to desolder this component and solder a new one. I'm using a very narrow nozzle. I do not want heat to spill to a lot of areas on the board, just this component. I mean, this component is microscopic, and look at the size of the nozzle. Not that much bigger. This is a very tight area. But a good flux will help you from bridging those components. That's what flux does. It helps prevent bridges. Now what we need to do is grab a new filter. Okay, so the filter is on. And all we have to do is try and see if we can get backlight to work on this iPad mini. Let's clean up. Very nice. So before we connect the battery, we connect the digitizer first, then we connect the LCD, and then we connect the battery. Digitizer connector on iPad minis, extremely fragile, so we have to be careful. Connected, and now we connect the LCD. And now we connect the battery. So all three are connected. And let's see, will the tablet work? Right there, working, done. I'm gonna give this a big boss to reassemble. We're gonna invoice the customer and mail it back to him. This is a repeat customer. He always sends stuff over, so he's gonna be happy again. For everyone out there who is inquiring about the microscope, which microscope we are using, what lens we are using, what Barlow lens we are using, what stand we are using, every video I post, people ask about the microscope. We've been in contact with the factory for the past month now, and we finally got an order in. First shipment will be in around 1 to 2 weeks, and it's gonna be limited quantity. If you are interested in the microscope, you can log into our website and pre-order or back order one. We made a combination of things that will come with the microscope. It's gonna be the microscope, the head itself, the lens, the Barlow lens, which is a 0.5x Barlow lens, and that's the one that I almost always use here. I have the 0.35x and the 0.5x. The 0.5x is the more practical one. I almost always never use the 0.35x. So we're gonna include the head, the lens, the Barlow lens, and also the adapter to connect this to the microscope stand. Right now, if you look here, there's an adapter, which is this black thing here. We need the adapter in order to fit the lens in. So it's up to you where to buy this stand from. Mine was bought from Amazon. It's made by Amscope. I'll direct you to the link to where you can buy this from. And you can also buy the ring light from Amscope or from Amazon. Amscope also sell their stuff on Amazon. But for us, we will be selling the microscope, the lens, the Barlow lens, and the adapter. I think the link will be posted on the site today or maybe next couple of days. For those of you who want the microscope, you can pre-order. We should have it here in about a week or two. It's a DHL shipment, so it shouldn't take long. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.